Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up problem. So today in this video I will show you the two simple steps to how you can get Marketplace on Facebook. Before starting the video, I recommended you just go to Play Store and update your Facebook application here. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Now you can see that Marketplace is not showing up in my Facebook account. If you want to fix the problem, then just follow these steps. Step 1. Here you just take a screenshot of your Facebook homepage. Then click on three lines at the top right corner. After that, just scroll down. Then click on Help and Support option from here. After that, here you click on Report a problem. Then just scroll down. After that, click on Continue to report a problem. Then tap on Include button from here. After that, just scroll down. Then click on Marketplace option from here. After that, at the top, describe the issue section. Here you type the issue, that will be, "Hi Facebook team, the Facebook Marketplace is not showing up on my Facebook account. Could you please help me to fix it? Thank you." After typing the issue, then here you click on Upload from phone. Then here you select the screenshot image which you have taken from Facebook homepage. Now when you click on the send icon, then your report will be sent to the Facebook team and within 48 hours your problem will be solved. If the Facebook Marketplace is still not showing up or not available, then try the next step. Step 2. Here you click on three lines at the top right corner. After that, just scroll down. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Settings option from here. Then just scroll down. After that, click on Navigation bar. Then click on Customize the bar. Then just scroll down. After that, click on drop down icon at the right side of the Marketplace option. Then here you select Auto. Now the problem will be fixed. Facebook Marketplace will be available on your Facebook account. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.